This is Jim Cantori with the Weather Channel, and as you can see, we're experiencing high winds with gusts 30 miles an hour. Whoa. And sometimes more, and therefore there will be no griddling tonight. Okay, I can't griddle, but I was determined to fry something. So we got the cast iron out. We also have a copper pan. The copper pan is for what, you ask? Mushrooms. My lovely assistant doesn't do shrooms, so I'll do them separate. Anyway, we got some riced cauliflower. We got the trinity, that's, what is that? Celery, onion, bell pepper down underneath. We also have some squash and zucchini, and even diced up some tomato. And we got some seasonings and sauces, and I'm gonna do a little stir-fried rice veggie something. And I'll cook the shrooms in my ghee, my homemade ghee, which I think actually turned out to be clarified butter again. But yeah, we'll see how it turns out. Remember, we screw up so you don't have to. Yum, yum. That's the veggie mix I made with the trinity and the squash and the zucchini. And now I'm going to add some riced cauliflower. And I've used plenty of avocado oil, and I put in some of my salt, pepper, garlic, etc. blend. And I got some other spices, but it's tasty so far. Okay, y'all. I've added a little bit of hoisin, some oyster sauce, some Saison. I'm going to splash on some sesame oil and toss in some tomatoes, and we'll see what it tastes like. Okay, the verdict is, that's pretty darn good. It's different than a regular fried rice because it's cauliflower rice, of course. But the mix of veggies, flavors, and the spices and sauces. Oh, and I did add a little bit of Greek seasoning because I bought some and I wanted to try it in something. And I like it. So I'm gonna cook up my mushrooms and use those just in my plate, and we're good to go. That's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye!